Let's talk about adding a human touch whenever it comes to work with AI. Whenever LLM generates a response, it is cold and robotic. This technique is mostly used whenever your task is related to customer service or user facing content. Whenever LLM generates a response, it is mostly cold and robotic. That means the output cannot be used right away, rather, you have to tweak it in order to add a human touch in it. Let's understand this concept using an example. The example will explain you why you need a human touch. Imagine a situation where I'm working as a customer care agent. A customer has made a complaint that he was charged twice and no one is helping him. So I want to respond to this complaint. Instead of responding to it myself, I'm first asking LLM to generate a response. The response that it has given me says, "Thank you for your message. Detected duplicate charge. We apologize for the inconvenience. Please provide your order ID and payment confirmation. Your request will be processed in the order it was received. Estimated resolution time 24 to 48 hours. Thank you for your patience." You can clearly see the response it has given me is robotic. The lines where it says detected duplicate charge, your request will be processed in the order it was received, clearly communicates that it was written by some kind of robot. This robotic response will definitely offend my customer instead of settling him down. So, what is the better way in which I can ask LLM to generate a response to this query? The better way would be to write a prompt which clearly says that write the response in a human tone. My prompt says respond to the complaint in a calm, empathetic, and reassuring tone. Acknowledge the frustration clearly, sound genuinely human. Assure quick resolution and offer one clear next step. Let's see what is the response that we get this time. Let's see, does the response has human touch this time? It says, "I completely understand how frustrating it must be to see two charges and feel like no one is addressing it. That's not the experience you should have. I'm here now and I'll make sure this gets resolved quickly. Could you please share the order number or the email linked to the charges? That's the first step to getting this sorted out. I'll personally follow up from there." You see how this response is written in a humanly manner and how it can completely satisfy my customer. This technique is called adding a human touch. It means guiding the AI to use emotional cues, warm tone, or even friendly language, just like a real person would. It's a small change in the prompt, but it makes a huge difference in how the response feels to the reader.